So here is my pantry. A little messy, a little unorganized. My goal is just to declutter, go through and check expiration dates, and rearrange it. You think I have enough spices there? These are my extras. So yes, potatoes are growing in the pantry here. So just gonna organize it. I'm gonna take everything out and hopefully it will look better. And these are some of the things I want to use in the pantry. So far, this is what I'm thinking of getting rid of because no one's ever used this in 3 years. Or this. Or these. I brought these from Arizona with me, so I've been here 3 years. This, I really don't want to get rid of it because these are expensive, but I never use it. So, I don't know. I have all these containers, but I don't even use all those. Some of them are just too tall. I don't know if you could see them, but there's 3 in there that are really, really tall. I used to use these for cereal. I don't eat cereal that much anymore. So, now I'm just cleaning with the Mrs. Meyer's lemon, like that one. Okay, so, oh boy. Let me continue and we'll see how it looks. So I'm not going to be putting everything in containers, just a few things. I have these left over. And I found these, and I'm like, what are these doing in here? These are for, you can buy those little silicone thingies, or silica. Because living here in Florida, everything is sticky. Everything sticks together. So I forget where I bought these, either Amazon or Temu. There's a whole bag of them. And I use them for, I don't put them by the food and stuff like that. I put some in my laundry pod containers so they don't stick together. And also, I put them in my dishwashing Cascade pods or whatnot. Because those things really stick together. So I'll put a couple of those. I buy like a container of Cascade and I put those in there. And it seems to help. So, alright, I'll be back. All this stuff was from when I was doing keto. Almond flour and that, way back there. Almond flour, chia seeds. There's different kinds of sugars. But I'm not really sticking to that, which is sad because I did lose a lot of weight on the keto. It's just hard sticking to that, so I don't know. I need to really get back on it. Okay, everyone, I am done. It may not look like everyone's pantry on TikTok or wherever, but I think it looks a lot better. I love this thing I bought at Aldi's. I wish I bought another one. I put all my salad toppings in there. I love it. This is my protein powder. Here's some snacks. I use these plastic little spice holders for all my husband's grilling spices that he got. He gets all these kinds at Ace where he works. Trevor. So I told him I'd make him up his little section here. This is for his grilling. And then this is just regular. And then there's some little seasonal sprinkles for baking and stuff like that. And then I have some of my extracts. Yeah, so my salts are up here, and pepper, oils, sprays. This stuff is excellent. I love it. top shelf is extra containers. I did downsize some of those. Yeah, looks a lot better. Clean the shelves off. I didn't really mess with the bottom stuff down there. Swept it out. I love it. All right, so just in time, I got this package from Amazon. So let's do an unboxing. More stuff for my kitchen. I think I buy more stuff for my kitchen than I buy for myself. Nicely packaged. Wonder what it is. I will put a link in the description for these. These are new oil dispensers. Look at that. Fancy. And this is weighted, so it goes up and down. Let me put it in here so you can see. It's very tight. I already love it. You could use it for oil, vinegar. You can use it for the coffee. So this goes by itself. Coffee syrups and stuff like that. And then it closes when you stand it up. So this one come with the little scissors. Come with a little little funnel. Opens. It's a collapsible funnel. Very nicely packaged, and this was a package of 3. So I got 3, one for the olive oil, one for vinegar, one for my avocado oil. Fits perfectly in there. And 3 tops, of course, and 3 bottles. Very nice quality. Very nice. Another addition to my kitchen with my new salt and pepper shakers and my new olive oil dispensers. Really nice. I will show you them when I get it all set up, and then I could put on a label. I think it came with 40 labels or something. I forget, but I will put it in the description box. And then there's that. That's neat. It's silicone. Good. All right, guys, so let me get working on this video. I'm gonna fill those up. All right, guys, this is how it looks on my counter, on my little turntable. I bought this for my sea salt. I got pink Himalayan sea salt. I bought that at Home Goods yesterday. So I'm gonna put that there. Put those back there. I have the spray olive oil that I love. Spray it in a pan or on your veggies. It works excellent. Push this over, and I have the salt and pepper mill. And then I have my little bacon grease thingy. And I put this little knife in there. Love it. And I bought this the other day at Marshall's. Love it, love it. I want to thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.